Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is the James. This is the Z32 Workshop, where we normally would work on Nissan 300 ZX stuff, the Z32 platform in specific. But we're kind of branching out right now because, well, I'm in the garage and I'm doing stuff, so why not record it for posterity and for what I'm doing. Last video, I know that isn't necessarily normal for this channel. We picked up a 1992 Dodge Dakota regular cab, long box, 4-cylinder, 5-speed, LE option. It's got a bad head gasket. Basically, the way I found this out was the exhaust was bubbling up through the coolant bottle, which is the telltale sign of a bad head gasket. I'm hoping it's only a head gasket, not something crazy like a cracked cylinder head, or I can't imagine a block would be that way. So we're going to do that. In fact, actually, this first video, we're going to probably do a compression check just to see what's going on and pull the stuff on it. Pull the plugs out, see what's going on. And then before I drain the coolant, to start removing belts and accessories out of the way. I haven't gotten the parts yet. I got to do a parts store run yet today. I've already got all the parts ordered. It's just a little bit longer drive than I'm used to, but it's something I want to get done and get hopefully taken care of over the weekend. So that's what we're doing. We are going to basically get my compression checker. I'm going to pull the plugs, see what they look like, grab my compression checker, pull that out, and then should be able to go do this. I don't want to do it too crazy because I don't know if I can kill the fuel the way I want, which I should be undo the sensors. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to remove, I'll get better lighting in here, the 4 plugs, pop out the wires, get them all out because I'm going to replace them. Do those, get that out of the way, and then get my compression checker in here to see what's going on. So let me get you guys on time warp here so you can start seeing me monkey around, get some lighting for you and what's going on. So 3, 2, 1. Woo, woo. Ooh, off time warp, everybody. Here, let's go over here. Hopefully you guys can hear me through the mic. This is probably the best way of doing this. Okay, here are the plugs on what we did or pulled out. What's happened here is this is cylinder number 4 on the backside. That's pretty good. That's pretty clean. And someone has done. These are not factory. That is pretty decent too. Cylinder 1, 2, 3. I was 3. This is 2. Once again, not bad. Electrode's pretty good. And then you get to cylinder number 1. Cruddy. She looks very dirty. Hopefully I have compression there, or else I'm gonna have to be doing a full engine rebuild. So yeah, that's cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are gonna now. Since she's got no sparky and she's got nothing in the way, I think I should be able to just get onto the crank pulley down there and rotate this thing on over with, I know it's not going to be, it's a dry per se. I mean, I could use the battery to do the test on doing the compression check. I'm probably going to take the air cleaner box out of the way here now just to get it up out of the way. Because if I can pull off the sensor that would tell the injector to pulse, I can just use the motor itself to crank and not have any fuel go in. So that's what we're going to do now. So once again, we'll go to time warp. So 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. All right, everybody. Yeah, bad news. Cylinder 1, which was problematic, which we know about, is, well, hang on. I'll show you the numbers. Front of the engine, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, cylinder 4 has got 125, 110, 115, all good. Number 1 is sitting at 65. So that corresponds to our bad plug here being an issue. So what I'm going to end up doing, I'm still going to pull the head off and see what the cylinder looks like. I may just put a new head gasket in and think that maybe there is such a bad head gasket. That's why it's not allowing to keep compression. That's the only thing I got at the moment. So that's going to be the end of this video right now. I'm going to go run and get new parts, and then we'll start removing the head gasket. So please like and subscribe. I know this is 300ZX content, but it is good content for the guys who like to do Dodge stuff, or 2.5 liter trucks, which are awesome in my opinion, because they're just an honest truck compared to modern stuff these days. I'm not saying modern trucks aren't gorgeous, they're great. This is just what I call a real truck, like no real amenities. I mean, AC is like, woo, and I don't know if I want to suck 20 horsepower to run an AC in this car. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and a little bit helps. I'm going to go get parts, and in the next video, we'll be starting to take the head off, take a look at things. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.